Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that since morning after the market opening on Monday, okay, we are seeing some kind of bullishness on the chart of DXY. DXY is bullish. As a result, there is pressure on pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, and GBP USD as well. But if you have watched my video that I uploaded on Saturday, then overall setup is still very much valid, and to be honest, personally, my stance has not changed as well. I will not personally trade because I still believe that we do not have a clear picture on GBP USD, and in comparison to other pairs, okay, there are better opportunities. I believe there are better opportunities on other pairs in comparison to GBP USD. Right now, GBP USD is trading at 1.3156. Okay, though it is trading at 1.3156, I'll suggest you not to trade right now. Okay, see DX. This is the chart of DXY. DXY is bullish. Okay, so there is some kind of correction going on, but keep in mind DXY is also approaching the resistance zone here. Overall, DXY is very much bullish, there is no doubt. But the present trend of DXY is sideways. Yeah. So there is a possibility that DXY will face selling pressure and reverse from here. If DXY faces selling pressure and reverses from the resistance zone, then we will see recovery on the Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD. Okay, so in that case, okay, if DXY reverses, you can try to go for GBP USD if you are in love with GBP USD. But personally, I'll suggest you that you should be going for other pairs. Okay, in case GBP USD comes around to 1.3100 level or this particular zone here, you can go for a buy. If GBP USD comes down to this level and if you see market bouncing from here, you can go for a buy. But in case GBP USD breaks it, if you find GBP USD breaking the level and going down, if you see that selling pressure is good enough, you can go for sell as well. Okay, the ultimate support on GBP USD is at 1.3000. This is the ultimate support on GBP USD at the bottom here. If you ask me, Avilas, which is the best level to trade on GBP USD? Personally, I believe that this will be the best level to trade on GBP USD. Or if market goes up and reverses from this resistance zone, then we can take a sell position. But otherwise, I'm not very much positive on GBP USD because see, overall, if we look at the trend of GBP USD, then it is very much towards the downside bearish trend. At this moment right now, though we can see that market is trying to go up, but the trend is not sufficient enough to claim it as a trend reversal. Okay, this is not a trend reversal. The bulls do not have the enough power to take the market up right now because we can easily see on the chart. This is the chart. If I ask you, do you think the buyers have the power, buyers have the steam to take the market up? No, you cannot say yes. So as a result, okay, there is still a battle going on, buyers and sellers. Sellers are dominating this market, buyers are trying their best to take the market up, but overall there is a confusion. Okay, so as a result, I have been telling for the last couple of days that it is better to avoid GBP USD as of now. If we observe the chart carefully, I believe that there is a high chance of market breaking the support and going down because things look very much towards the downside only. Okay, so I still believe that there is a potential for market going up, and I believe that at least personally I will look for selling positions only. Okay, in case market bounces from here, you can go for a buy position for day trading. But yes, keep in mind that the chart still seems very much towards the downside. Sellers are still dominating this chart, so be careful. And please, my dear friends, whatever you do, follow proper risk management and strict risk management. Okay, and My dear friends, as you all know that I have recently launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, if you really want to learn, then you can consider this option as well. Or if you're someone who does not have much time for learning and simply looking for signals, then you can also join the world's cheapest signal service. Yes, this one. Link is in the description. So find it out. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.